Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're coming to you taking a look at the brand new 2021 Aviara AV36. This is a gorgeous boat that we just got in stock. This is going to be really well equipped. Let's take a walk around the outside quick and take a look at a couple features. Up on the bow here, we're going to have the stainless steel windlass anchor. We're also going to have docking lights up here, oversized cleats all the way around the boat. Nice big heavy duty, super solid. The exterior of this boat is going to be a light gray and white. Super gorgeous setup on here. Great accenting with the body panels on the sides here, matching in with the hard top, giving you a really sharp look to it. All well designed out, really nice setup. They've got this nice bumper rail coming down around the back corner here, which leads us into the stern here. Coming around the back of the boat, you're going to see a lot of cool features on this boat. You're going to have the Teak swim platform that drops down underwater. You can hydraulically pull it right back up easy. You've got trim tabs both sides here, helping you get that perfect running surface set up for you. Underwater lights, and of course we're going to have our Ilmor drives on here as well. So really nice setup coming around the helm. We'll go up on here. You've got your swim ladder right at the back of the boat here. As we move up onto the boat, you'll see a lot of cool features here. This is going to be equipped with sea deck throughout it. This is a gray sea deck that's customized strictly for Aviara, and it gives it a really nice finished look because its angles tie in with the rest of the body line as well as our seat boxing. So it's a really sharp look to it. You're going to have stadium seating in the back of the boat here, which is going to give you a really cool effect for ability to sit and entertain with your guests. So if you're out for the day, you're looking at fireworks in the evening, out for the 4th of July, things like that, you're going to have a lot of extra room for entertaining and enjoying your day out on the water. You're going to have your volume control right in the back of the boat here. So you're going to be able to control all of your stereo from the back, as well as up at the helm. As we move through here, we've got a nice teak table in here. It's a light gray, nice warm feeling to this boat. Inside, we're also going to have, accent lighting everywhere. This boat's really well equipped. This is going to be equipped with 2 refrigerators as well. So you're going to have ample space to put all of your goods to keep them cool. On the entertainment side, you're going to have a nice grill right here. All nice and handy. You've got a utility area, you've got a sink, wine bottle holder, everything you could need to be able to act like you're almost at home and being out on the water, entertaining your guests and enjoying your day out. Everything closes nicely. Everything's solid, really well built boat. Coming through here, this is gonna have some cool features to it. We're gonna have cooled cup holders on the driver's side. So tucked down below, we're gonna both those are gonna be driver's side cup holders that are cooled. Well, we're at the helm here. Everything's touchscreen, everything's laid out right in front of you, easy to get to. Beautiful steering wheel, Italian design. The drive on here is this boat is equipped with the twin 430 horsepower engines, so you've got plenty of power here. You're also gonna have joystick control. It's giving you the ability to really walk this boat around at any point where you're looking to get in and out of any type of docking situation, whether it's backing into a slip, going to a restaurant. Really gives you that extra amount of control that you look for in your boating experience. Coming in now, we're going to look at the cockpit area. You're going to have a nice amount of space down below here. And you've got a TV, seating areas, really nice, comfortable setup down here. Gets you out of the sun. This boat is equipped with a generator as well, so you're going to have power for everything in here. Everything's going to be set up so that you can really just be out on the water and not have to have any worries at all. You're also going to have a nice big head area here as well. All right. And coming through on the bow side of it, up in front here, we've got a nice air dam that blocks you off here. We also have the whole nice deep area. Your seating is super deep. You're very comfortable as you're in here, hanging out at the bow of the boat, out on the water and enjoying your day. Also, you have the bow filler cushion. Really kind of closes this off, gives you a nice little play area. Great for kids, family, laying out, getting some sun. Overall, I mean, this boat just ties together very well, front to back, made to entertain and be out on the water all day long. If you'd like to set an appointment to see the AV36 at MarineMax, give us a call. Thank you.